What if your customers could simply choose when and how they receive their orders? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Meet Stellar, the smart solution to manage shipping, store pickups, and order deliveries for your Shopify store. Let your customers choose their preferred delivery method, date, and time slot by showing a calendar on the cart page. Do you want to show a shipping calendar on product detail page? Well, that's also possible with Stellar. Reduce delivery-related inquiries by showing estimated delivery date and time on the product page. Need time to prepare your orders? Set an order cutoff time to fulfill same-day delivery orders. Want to avoid overcrowding? Limit the number of orders per time slot. Control which products can be shipped, delivered, or picked up from your store. And do you want to manage orders on holidays or on certain days? Simply black out holidays or non-working days. Stellar also syncs directly with Shopify POS, keeping your online and offline orders aligned. Install Stellar now and simplify your order fulfillment by giving customers the flexibility they expect.